Hi everyone! In this tutorial you will learn how to make this beautiful potion bottle in Blender. So, let's get started. First of all, delete everything. Then press Shift A and add your image reference. Then go to Object and put the X rotation on 90, Y rotation on 0, and X rotation on 90. Then put the Z location on 0. Then press Shift A, go to Mesh and add single vert. Put it under your image. Then press E to extrude and click. Now continue this way. When you reach on the top you can stop and go to Modifiers and add Screw Modifier. Hide your image reference. Now add a cylinder and use G to grab it on top. Now press S to scale it down. Go to Edit Mode and select Bottom Face and scale it down. Now press G and place it on the top of our bottle. Cool! Right-click and shade it smooth. Now go to Edit Mode and select the top face and use Ctrl B to bevel it. OK. Apply the Screw Modifier. Now add a Subdivision Modifier. Then apply it. Go to the bottom face and select these faces and then use Ctrl+ to increase your selection. This will be our potion. Now press Shift D to duplicate it. Press P, then select Selection. Select our fluid and then press Slash to see it individual. Go to Edit Mode and select Edge. Then press Alt and select these edges. Now go to Face and select Grid Fill. Right-click and subdivide it one time. Now enable Proportional Editing. Then select your faces and use G to grab and make your own potion. OK. Beautiful. Let's add a plane and scale it for our background. Now select these edges and use E to extrude. Then select these edges and use Ctrl B to bevel. Go to Render View. OK. It is too dark. Let's add an area light. Use G to grab it up and then increase the power. Press Shift D and duplicate it, then place it here. Use R to rotate it. Let's add some material. I will use Blender Kit addon to add material. It is free and you can use any material that you want. Let's search for glass. Yes. I think this is cool. OK. Select your fluid and use S to scale it a little. Now select the wood and add some material as before. OK. Great. Now select the fluid and go to Material and select your base color. Increase the transmission. Now reduce the roughness a little. Select the plane and choose your base color. I want to make it a little darker. Let's increase the power of this light a little. I think if we add another light, it will be great. Go to Render and put the engine cycles and device on GPU. Let's increase the roughness and transmission of our fluid. Now play with roughness and IR of our plane for find the best result. I think add a little blue for our plane is better. This is beautiful. Add a camera and paste it wherever you want. Now put the max sample on 500. And put the color management on high contrast. Now just select render image. And wait. And this is our nice potion bottle. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.